Welcome to a new day in Langtang Valley. It's quite weird being in the valley. We've been in the mountains this whole last 5 days. Oh. Thanks for breakfast. Coffee. It's about 10 to 7 and we're gonna head off straight after breakfast.
This place is pretty basic. There is no bedding, so you need to bring sleeping bags. There is also no electricity. It just runs on solar and they don't seem to have a battery, so a head torch is also needed, but you can't argue with the price. It's actually free. We didn't pay anything to stay here. The only thing we've paid for is our food. They're happy for us to stay here as long as we are buying food here.
We've got peanut butter jelly chapatis this morning, fresh off the fire. And today's black coffee seems extra strong.
We are down in the valley today. There are no big views over the mountains. It feels quite a bit cooler. Hopefully we can get a fair bit done before it gets too hot again.
PBJ, PBJ, J.
Probably a bit too strong for you, I think.
We love it here. We got 2 apples. Yeah.
The friendly guest house certainly lived up to its name. They were so nice in there. Everyone we've met so far has just been so nice. We are on the road again, walking through Lama Hotel and heading up through the valley, up towards Langtang.
It's very quiet on the path this morning. I'm just waiting for that sun to hit us and getting those steps before the sun comes, because yesterday was just ridiculous.
Oh, you can see the sun creeping down on the mountainsides. It'd be nice to get as high as we can before that hits us.
I think we've only got maybe half an hour.
I love how fresh the mornings are, just so clear, and it's still really quiet. We were worried that the Langtang Trek would be really busy, but at 7 in the morning or 8 in the morning, it's still empty.
Come across a big landslide, we just got to walk over. No dilly-dallying here. Looks like we've had a fresh dusting overnight. That is amazing.
I've honestly never seen anything like it. It's just these towering snowy mountains.
Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe when it clicked on the trot over in the bright morning dew.
Namaste at 2,854 meters.
We brushed and we braided dandelions into.
Feels so good to be in the mountains.
Was a mutual arrangement people saw into.
Himalayas, baby! I'm really enjoying today's hike. So far it's been like so much easier than the last few days. We're a little cooler in the valley. There's a gentle slope up, whereas before we've had like really steep declines, really steep inclines, and it's just good. It's really nice hiking today.
Can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again?
We have been walking in the shade all morning, and we're just about to cross into the light because the sun has crept over the valley edge.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Feed my soul, sunshine.
We've come out into the sun and the valley has opened up and it is glorious.
Look at that snowy mountain behind us. It's so big.
I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence.
I'm getting stronger each day, like my legs are getting stronger. My bag's very uncomfortable today. I've got something digging into my back and we keep stopping and adjusting it. I don't know what it is.
Will she keep on moving onward or staying? What could it be?
Mum's changed my bag. So now I carry my weight in my hips, not my shoulders. Feels really weird. I've never walked like this before in all my years of hiking.
We have reached Hotel Tibetan, which is 3,008 meters. So we've decided it's time for another coffee. Apparently we're the first people to come past this morning.
We've got a sneaky little rule when we're hiking. We put sugar in our coffee because it's all instant here. It gives us power to get up the mountain.
We've only got about an hour and a bit until Langtang, which is where we're going to stop tonight. I need to slow down a bit.
So today we're continuing our family tour in the Himalayas. We had lunch with a sister of this family yesterday, then we stayed the night with the cousin of the family, and now we're having lunch with, I think, another sister of the family. Got vegetable momos with a little splash of ketchup. In 2015 here in Nepal there was a huge earthquake, and here in the Langtang Valley there was a huge big wall of snow, ice and rock that just completely tumbled down, and within seconds the entire Langtang village was completely buried under all of this. And we are literally about to walk across the avalanche that destroyed the village, and there's people that died that were never, their bodies were never recovered. So it's going to be quite an eerie and sobering experience walking across and thinking of all those people that died. I think a great reason to come and do this Langtang Valley Trek is to come and support the families who were affected by the earthquake, because there's no doubt that these families will have relatives, friends, loved ones that will have died in the earthquake. So that's one of the reasons we want to go and stay in the village of Langtang. So you can see this is where the avalanche fell from, and this is the avalanche which what used to be Langtang Valley village.
We are now in Langtang village, and we've walked a little way into the village and we found a place to stay. We're staying here.
We have chosen the guest house. It's kind of hard to pick because everyone just wants you to stay at their house. But this place has a attached bathroom with a solar shower.
It's free as long as we eat here, which is amazing, like incredible. Look at this view.
We could walk on, but we don't really want to rush acclimatising to the altitude here. We're already at 3,500 metres. We don't really need to go any higher. It's not all about a big... You don't have to suffer. You can enjoy it too. Hi! You're so high up.
Namaste.
Namaste. What's your names?
My name is Bima.
Bima.
My name is Lachi.
Lachi Bima. Namaste.
Are you back for the holiday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Did you walk all the way up?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Long way.
So lots of houses in Langtang are these concrete buildings that have been put up quite quickly, because all of the buildings have been built within the last 7 years.
It is hard not to walk around Langtang without a heavy heart, just thinking about like the fact that these people had to build their houses again here. They've lost family, loved ones. I'm feeling the altitude in my head a bit. Not too bad, but like walking around, I'm just like, whew, I don't know whether I'm just really tired, but I might go lie down for a minute. I'm so hungry all the time on this hike. I've just paid an embarrassing amount for a packet of Pringles. 550 rupees, and it's a small version of the big ones we get at home. We've come down to have the second dal bhat of the day. It's the first time we've done this.
Double dal bhat.
But I couldn't stop thinking about dal bhat, so it had to be done.
What have you been doing?
Trying to poo.
This is about. We need YouTube. We gotta make a YouTube video.
Tom's very happy today.
It's really slow and boring.
I'm not.
I mean,